This is kind of just a follow-up video. So I had replaced both of my front tie rod end links, my control arm upper and lower on the front, my tie rod end link on the rear, as well as my vertical link on the rear. I was dealing with a pretty annoying clunking sound when I was going over bumps pretty slowly. Yep, there it is. So I changed all those out, and I'm gonna see if I still hear that clunking or not. But other than that, that's pretty much all this one is. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing the installs on any of those parts, I'll try to link them somewhere in the video here. Other than that, yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. So just gonna go on a quick drive. So far so good. I'll say this, if you have a car that's getting up there in mileage, especially if it's 75,000 or more, like what mine has, mine's just over 86. A lot of the bushings, ball joints, and things along those lines will start getting worn out. They'll cause a lot more deflection as they wear out, which they're not intended to do. So it is important as just a general maintenance piece, just to check all of those every now and like every, I don't know, 25 to 50,000 miles or so, and just make sure everything's in functioning order. Especially if you start hearing weird sounds that you didn't used to hear, it's probably a good thing to get those checked or replaced if needed. That's kind of what ended up happening to me, is I just started hearing loud clunking sounds coming from both the front and the rear of the car, and it was just getting really annoying. So I started going through piece by piece and replacing just control arms and anything with the ball joint, just to see what was worn out and what was causing the sounds I was hearing. And so if you end up seeing some of the videos, or I might even throw a clip in here of it. So I don't know how well you'll be able to hear it on camera, but this is the old ball joint from the lateral arm. Yeah, you can hear all of that rattling or noise that's in there. So this thing is pretty much completely shot. So I am willing to bet that this was part of my sound issue that I was having to deal with. With the ball joints, especially if they're worn out, they are very loose and easy to move, and you can even hear rattling around inside of the joint when you take them off. That's not supposed to happen. They're supposed to be pretty fairly firm and harder to move. So if they're super loose, then they're probably due to be replaced. But as far as my drive so far, it seems like everything's in good working order, and I haven't noticed any loud clunking like I did last time I was driving around before I changed any parts out. Now another thing, after you replace a bunch of those suspension / steering components, it's really important to get the car aligned professionally, unless you know how to do it yourself. especially if you're messing around with the tie rod ends. Those are directly responsible for a lot of your toe adjustments on your front end. Yeah, really, that just about covers it. This isn't going to be a very long video. This is pretty short. But other than that, that's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.